On Symbaloo, adding a new tile is easy. First, find an empty space where you would like to add your tile. You can right-click and choose to quick add a tile. That is to simply enter the link that you would like to add to your webmix and click the green check mark. Or you can choose to left-click and you'll be given more options when you're creating your tile. You can choose to change the name on the tile, or you can choose to remove the text altogether. You'll also be given the option to change the color of the tile if you'd like it to stand out a little bit more or match other tiles around it. And you can choose the icon on the tile, or upload your own image. For this one, we'll keep it the same. Also, you can choose to create a tile with an embedded link as well. For example, we'll add a YouTube video here. And when you click the video, instead of it opening in a new tab, you'll be able to see the video within Symbaloo. With that, I hope you understand a little bit better how to create a new tile.